so much for joining me. I've just got a small digital collection to share with you. This is going to be available to absolutely everybody for absolutely free. Okay, there's a few ways you can get it in case one way you can't access it. So first of all, this will be available on my Ko-fi shop. Okay, it is free. If it prompts you for payment, put 0.00. You can leave a small donation if you desire, but it's not essential. It's a free gift. It's a Christmas gift to everybody as my way of saying thank you. It's going to be available in A4 and US letter size, JPEG and PDF. So however your printing preferences are, you can access this collection. So that's via Ko-fi. I'm also going to be sharing it in my Facebook group. So if you don't do or like or understand Ko-fi, you can join my Facebook group. The link's in the description box below and you can access it there. The JPEGs go direct to the group wall. You just right click them and save them. And the PDFs go in the file section. So I decided to do this collection because I'm not doing a main Christmas collection this year for sale in my shop. The only one that I've done that's available is the Journal in Joy December Daily, which is this one that I've shared. So this is the only Christmas collection I'm doing this year. I just think that there's enough out there and people spend enough. To be frank, people spend enough. So I decided to just do some pages for free. So these are public domain images. They're not my artwork. I have enhanced them, sharpened them. I've changed the colours on some and I have created the backgrounds. But these images, I've not drawn them or anything. They're public domain. You could quite easily go and find them yourself. But I've put them together along with the backgrounds that I've created just for simplicity to make it easier. And they're free. Okay, I've added borders around everything except for this one here because it just wasn't having it. So if you've got an electric cutting machine, you can cut the fussy cuts out using that, or if you're cutting by hand, you've got a guideline of where to cut. Practice makes perfect when it comes to fussy cutting. I enjoy it. So we've got these now. I've done them. They're about 2 inches. Maybe 2 inches by about 2.5. So they're not tiny little, fiddly bits to cut out. They're a substantial size. And I've done that because I thought they would be nice to make Christmas cards, Christmas tags, or I'm going to be making some treat boxes. I may well do some videos. I'm not sure yet. Depends how I go for time. But we've got these lovely cute ones. I have found a koala that is especially for my Aussie contingency from all my Australian followers. It's unfair on them at Christmas. We all do Christmas and snow and they're in the middle of summer. So there you go. Sorry, it's not more. So then we've got these lovely gingerbread people. Okay, a beautiful size to just fussy cut and make a card. All you've got to do is add one of the background papers that I've given you. And just these, maybe a bit of ribbon, and you've got yourself a lovely card, a lovely handmade card. So we've got these lovely gingerbread people. They're absolutely so cute. I haven't added sentiments because I figured most people might have Christmas stamps, or that one says Noel, that says Merry. It's obvious that they're Christmas theme. So there you go. And then I've done these ones as well. Okay, so we've got some hot chocolates and candy canes and some lovely Christmassy cookies, your general Christmassy things. They're not necessarily designed for journaling, although they would go with my December Daily very nicely. Okay, you can make your Christmas tags out of them. It depends what theme you go in. But sometimes I like to create things that aren't just for journaling. Okay, so these are versatile for journals, for albums, for card making, and for your Christmas gift giving. Making your little bits and bobs. Make your own Christmas tags, do your own packaging. Handmade always looks awesome. So you've got 1, 2, 3 pages of fussy cuts. Okay, and then to help you with either layering tags or journaling cards or handmade cards or making boxes for treats, I've done some backgrounds. So we've got I've got another sheet of fussy cuts there, which are these parcels and bows. So you've got 4 sheets of fussy cuts, not 3. Then I've done some, bog standard Christmassy backgrounds. We've got the spotty dotter. We've got the candy cane in the Christmas red and Christmas green. You cannot go wrong. All of these will go awesome on any of those backgrounds. Okay, I've printed mine on lightweight cardstock because I'm probably going to make treat boxes out of mine. Then I've made these two, which are gingerbreads. So this is a lovely one. It's on a pale blue background, but I do still believe, you know, there's quite a lot of blue in some of these. Where's the other one? In some of these, in the scarves and in the parcels. So I thought that the blue background would be just a nice alternative to always having red or green. And then this one here is a obviously gingerbread theme. It's on a white background, so that will go with anything, but also you could print this onto whatever colour you want. So if you want to print it on your tea-dyed paper, you can, because it's got a white background. Okay, so those are your backgrounds. You cannot go wrong. They will go with anything. So if you are still doing your journaling or your December daily, these backgrounds will be brilliant for, you know, layering on your tags or making your pockets with. And then you've got the lovely Christmassy fussy cuts. Okay, some are quite cutesy. Some are, that one's a bit more vintage. These are a bit more vintage. And these Christmas parcels, you know, can class as vintage or shabby or anything. So I just thought those would be really useful for anybody who likes to do handmade Christmas. I hope you enjoy them. I hope you go and pick them up. The links to my Facebook group where you can get them and my Ko-fi where you can get them are in the description box below. Excuse me. That is me done for Christmas digitals. I am not doing any more. I'm Christmas digitaled out. So I might be quiet on the digital front for probably until the new year, because I'm sat busily beavering away in the background creating the next Journaling Joy collections for my Ko-fi subscribers and new collections to bring you in the new year. So this will probably be the last collection that I give for free for this year. I hope you'll enjoy it. I want to say a massive thank you to everybody who has supported me, either on Facebook, YouTube, especially on Ko-fi. That is where I get so much support now. It's quite humbling. So Merry Christmas, here's a little gift. It's not much, but I can't afford to give you all a present, you know, a physical present. All I can do is share what I can do out of my head and give to you to print at home. So I hope you enjoy them. Take care. Have a fantastic holiday season, however you celebrate it, whether you celebrate Christmas, whether you celebrate a different celebration, or whether you're just going to relax and enjoy the time off at home with your friends and family or your pets or whatever you're doing. Have a fantastic time, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.